Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I got a fantastic one. Simple, easy, but absolutely fantastic. And I don't think we've talked about this yet. So let's take a look at it. One who establishes the value of a property for taxation purposes is called A, a government tax appraiser, B, an assessor, C, an appraiser, or D, all of the above. Well, let's cross off D. It is not all of the above because they are very different people. Now, some of you might think that it is a government tax appraiser, and that would be a good guess if you didn't know anything here. So we're left with B, an assessor, or C, an appraiser. So here's what we're talking about. An appraiser is actually going to be finding the value of a property based on analysis, and they're going to be looking more closely to either market value or market cost. And an appraisal is much different from an assessment. An assessment in an assessed value is what we're going to base our ad valorem taxes on. And ad valorem Latin for according to value. Ad valorem taxes first priority lien on a property, and those are the general real estate taxes. And how they find the general real estate taxes or the ad valorem taxes for a property is they take the assessor's assessed value and then they multiply it by the tax rate, the good old tax rate. And that is how they find the ad valorem taxes. So, again, very simple question, but something that we probably haven't gone over in too much detail. And I wanted to take a look at that one because that was asked in our Facebook group, and that was a fantastic question. So, guys, hope you like that one. And you know the drill. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I'm going to see you real soon.